Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can repay your negative balance on Amazon, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am currently using a community post because I cannot set up my seller account in my seller menu, so it's impossible for me to access it to actually show you guys how that is done, and I wouldn't have a negative balance anyway. So I'm going to use this instruction set that I found here. This person is having trouble finding the repay balance button. However, I'll use the instructions that they have gotten to explain the entire situation to you guys. So let's get right into it. So to repay your negative balance, which you have towards Amazon, what you need to do is you need to go into Seller Central and then go into Payments, into your dashboard, and then index.html. That is pretty much just your payments menu. Then from the drop down menu, select Reports, and then click on Payments. And from there, on the page that you get when you open it, you need to click Repay Balance and enter the details to complete the payment. This will repay your outstanding balance which you have towards Amazon, and you will be at a net zero balance. Now, as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like, and this person for some reason has issues with this, even though they have a total balance of zero. For some reason, they're still trying to repay it. Not exactly sure what's happening, but there are instructions on if you're having the same issue, you'll be able to fix it. However, as you can see, if the balance has been present for a long time, the button may not be available, and if you get a notification, you can use that to go and repay it. But if you don't have any problems, this is the process you need to go through to actually repay it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.